Hey everyone, it's me Reload. Today we're going to talk about what I use in my soil when I'm growing cannabis. Alright, so I like to, this is affordable. This is like for a poor man's build a soil. You want to use this brand over here. This contains Spigma peat moss. It has the coco coir, good compost in it, and forest product. So, yep, this will be a good base for the medium. Also, I would add myself worm casting into this soil, including some perlite for aeration, also bone meal, and Dr. Earth, which contains a 2:2 ratio of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. I mix all that into one bucket, and that's how I make my builder soil. So I also add a chicken feces, like chicken poop. I have that in a different bag. I don't bring that inside the room because it would really smell. But anyways, yep, these are all the things I'm using right now. Bone meal, earthworm castings, Dr. Earth, my medium, and perlite. All together create a perfect soil condition for your babies, and they will thrive extremely good. Alright man, that's what I'm using. That's how I build my own soil.